I'm going to show you how to use AI to look at your Fit3D data as a challenge dashboard. So what I have here is the data that we've downloaded from the Plus or Premium tiers for your subscription. We're going to bring this into ChatGPT. We're going to tell it that this is data from my dashboard. These are my customers for my weight loss challenge, and you're going to ask it a question like, who lost the most weight? And we're going to hit go. Now it's going to examine this data. Now notice we did it by weight. So right here you can see it's analyzing. And from the answer, it's doing this in real time. We're going to have to wait a minute. But the important thing to know here is usually this takes hours of looking through all your data. We're going to do this in just a few minutes. So the answer here is Seth. So Seth lost 24 pounds. But maybe you want to do it in a different way. Let's say who lost the biggest percentage of body fat. And even though I have a misspelling here, if you hit go, it's going to do it a different way. And it's going to look at the data again. And let's see if we get a different answer. So according to this, we had Anna lost the most, right? She lost 6%. You could also do this if you want to see lean mass. It even says right here, so right? So who gained the most muscle during this period? And so we're just looking at the data from a few different viewpoints. And as you see, the AI is spitting it out in minutes versus hours, right? So according to this, so look at the data. It says Anna also gained the most muscle. So her body composition changed the most. So the cool thing here is that these dashboards that we have in the Plus and Premium service let you look at your data in new ways and save lots of time. I hope that helps, and I hope if you have any questions about our dashboards or our Plus or Premium tiers, shoot us an email. We'd love to chat with you.